Welcome once again, Solid Rock family, with your host on the Central and Treasure Coast, Sam G. Continue to journey with me on this Black Woman and Child album review reaction, released September 18th, 1997. What a classic. And track number 11 is another Bobby Dixon, Bobby Digital production. See? And you see, enough of them might not want to change their ways. But some of the youths, you better take warning and you better take heed. And don't end up gears.
Just to make yourself prepare, I'm traveling over borders and frontier. I and I night just here. What's enough? Get a youth. There is no time to gaze. Some come for story to patch I corrupt, bring him and create, yo. Tell them change them ways. Bring you to no hurry up, now come yourself you waste out your days, yo. No see so them are guys. Them come for story to patch I corrupt, bring him and create, yo. Tell them change them ways. Bring you to hurry up because the King Selassie. Ethiopia now stretch out.
From the top. What a tune. Get up out your seats, rise up, move. Time to sweat. Stick a bet and better start sweat and get wet. Because right now Babylon are gonna start fret. Change your ways, cause there's no time to gaze.
Just to make yourself prepare, I'm traveling over borders and frontier. I and I night just here. What's enough? Get a youth. There is no time to gaze. Some come for story to patch I corrupt, bring him and create, yo. Tell them change them ways. Bring you to no hurry up, now come yourself you waste out your days, yo. No see so them are guys. Them come for story to patch I corrupt, bring him and create, yo. Tell them change them ways. Bring you to hurry up because the King Selassie. Ethiopia now stretch out. The King Selassie I no more rocking on the boat. Things are get ready on the western coast. Enough of them are dead, you might think say a joke. Them have the money and still them can't float. I come to separate the sheep from the goat. Looking at the heap to see how about it out. Give them the chalice and them end up a choke. Can't bunny earth, them run guns not coke. If I had the fire, then I who want the smoke. Give the youth the culture cause I eat me and promote. Them must come together, Rastafari and no joke. No take no talk. You must see so them on haze. Them come for story to a corrupt what the big man create, yo. Tell them open up them eyes. Get a youth to hurry up because I King Selassie man I praise, yo. You know see so them on gaze. Them come for story to a corrupt what the big you create, yo. Selassie open every gate. Big youth to hurry up because me not come, yo. Be still coming, know them gone. Jack kid here, me plant food and corn. The youths come first, so me no left it farm. I till the day them want make them a scorn. Babylon be still unallow me make me go on. Up on the hill, no dirty work, me not perform. Sure them your journey get redder than warm. The youth stamp cut all the slave master land. I do nothing forget the bloody money in our palm. We not and calm. You must say so them are guys. Them come for story to a corrupt what the bingy man create, yo. Tell them change them ways. Bingy youth no hurry up, no come yourself you waste out with days, yo. You must say so them are guys. Them come for story to a corrupt what the bingy man create, yo. Tell them open up them eyes. Bingy youth no hurry up, no come yourself you. Do all the honor, give the youth the betterment. Educate them right, feed them upliftment. I no settlers, no give I no settlement. I run the police, this a bigger judgment. What's the result from your conference? No solution, you confuse you and your friends. Babylon laws come to an end. Babylon the fake, going down again. Lightning message, slap England. Burn them to us, them a pollute a land. Lightning message up in a the Pentagon. Find them a fight for King Selassie position. Take them your message to the Ethiopian. Tell them Emperor Selassie is the almighty man. Lightning message for every nation. To King Selassie I boast the generation. Me tell them say, you know see so them a case. Them come for story to a corrupt what the bingy man create, yo. Tell them change them ways. Bingy youth no hurry up, no come here so fi guys out 3 days, yo. You know see so them a case. Them come for story to a corrupt what Selassie I create, yo. Tell them open up them eyes. Bingy youth no hurry up cause a King Selassie. Yo Ethiopia now stretch forth. To King Selassie I no more rocking on the boat. Things are get ready on the western coast. No for them a sink.
My gosh. Listen to me, man. Every time, whether I'm in my car or I'm listening to my headphones, and this tune is playing, you just feel that sense of, like, let me tell you something. One of the many things that Sizzla, through my perception, represents is a man that stands his ground, stands on his principles, you know. And a tune like this is basically just that. There's no time to gaze. There's no time to play around and idle, you know. Even in the, you know, he's just letting you know that, you know, these people, there are a set of people in this earth that are trying to come forth with their tricks, you know, and their gimmicks, but he's making you know that through the lyrics, he's letting you know that we as a people need to stand firm, right? And there's a certain thing that we stand for, and you have to come at us correct. You understand what I'm saying? So, but for those that are gazing, there's no time to gaze, you know. On a better hurry up, you know, on a better hurry up and stop the gazing, because we can't no longer say there's a time coming. I believe we're in the time right now where it's revelation time. It's a time of prophecy. So when Sizzla sing this song, I think he could have said, you know, a time is coming, but the time is now. The time is here. The time is at hand. Okay, so that was No Time to Gaze, right? And that was track number 11. Seeing, like I said, a Bobby Digital production. And the majority, this album is a Bobby Digital production, you know, Exterminator. And therefore, so we're going to keep the ball rolling to prevent you from scrolling as we jump into track number 12. And we're going to keep it going. We're going to keep it moving. Like, positively comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe. As I always say, to keep authentic reggae music alive and keep everything solid as we continue to go through on this Black Woman and Child album review reaction journey. See? Yeah.